This video will explain how to record a lecture with Mediasite. To get started, the wireless transmitter is located in the AV cabinet. Open the cabinet and retrieve the wireless transmitter from the microphone drawer. Turn on the microphone at the top of the transmitter. After you turn the transmitter on, put on the microphone carefully as it is a sensitive piece of equipment. Clip it onto your pants or a sturdy area of clothing. Check the microphone audio mixer in the microphone cabinet. The volume should already be set to ideal levels. However, if the volume needs adjusting, do so accordingly. Next, open the TouchLink panel. Click on the Mediasite button located on the home screen to access camera operations. Press the On button to turn the Mediasite camera on. You will see the camera move, indicating it's ready for use. The Mediasite Classroom has 4 different view presets. Preset 1 is a view of the podium. Preset 2 is a view of the document camera table. Preset 3 is a view of the document camera table and the podium. And Preset 4 is a wide shot of the front of the classroom. The room is now ready to record your scheduled lecture. After you've finished your lecture, press the Off button to turn the Mediasite camera off. Close Mediasite to return to the home page. Please turn off and return the wireless microphone to the AV cabinet. Your course materials will be accessible through Canvas within the same day. Thank you.